trees that flourish against the forces of nature have a spiritual meaning. Heaven and earth in one container. Bonsai is the art of growing dwarfed potted trees. A pine that is 1,000 years old, a symbol of nature's strength. Bonsai Village, north of Tokyo, is the mecca of miniature trees. For 3 days each May, crowds from all over the country come to enjoy the spring festivities. Famed bonsai artists work here and attract visitors from all over Japan. Clean air, good soil and clear underground water are found in abundance here. Bonsai are ordinary trees, not special hybrid dwarfs. Evergreens are the most popular. This pine tree is over 200 years old. This Japanese Zelkova looks top-heavy. However, its thick trunk is rooted firmly in the ground. These bonsai flower or bear fruit to match the season. Growing a bonsai tree requires a long-term commitment. At 1 year, 5 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. Growing bonsai like these requires tremendous care. Tomio Yamada, whose family has been growing bonsai trees for 4 generations, is one of the artists of Bonsai Village. A bonsai tree won't grow well unless sunlight gets to its lower branches, just like in a forest. Tiny branches are pruned carefully and leaves are plucked one by one. The most important rules for growing bonsai are to be patient, not to strain the trees, and to remember to love nature. Some artists deal with contemporary tastes. Fumiko Kato is a new type of bonsai artist. Bonsai need to be watered frequently because of their mature root system. The container to a bonsai is like a frame to a picture, symbolizing timelessness and continuity. Fumiko designs containers worthy of her trees, creating a microcosm of nature. Tokyo is home to a unique bonsai museum. It's said that the best height for appreciating a bonsai tree is to bring your eye level slightly lower than half the height of the tree, peering slightly upwards from below. Bonsai symbolize timeless harmony with nature. Visualize the artistic effect of the surrounding world. Imagine the wind, the sound of birds, and gentle streams. Let your mind float in time.